Nyama, nyama. Oh, mama.
Bye, Quan. Bye, Quan.
These folks are slow. It's raining out here now.
Okay, sit down.
You gonna be wet. What you want to sit down for?
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Listen, y'all, I got up at 3:30. 3:30 this afternoon. I was tired. Because my best friend called me at 6 o'clock this morning. It's raining out here though, y'all.
Don't touch your eye.
Meanwhile,
Don't hold it with 2 hands.
oh, these shoelaces dirty, honey.
You got me.
He better not. He ain't got no goddamn gloves.
Get mommy.
He better not.
You know how to make an angel?
It's raining now. They're gonna be wet.
You do know how to do it? You gotta lay on your back and do your arms and legs. You do it real fast. You lay flat on your back and then you do your legs and arms. You spread them out. Yeah, that's how you do it. You gotta lay on your back.
Put your hood on.
Yeah, it's raining. That stuff is freezing. That stuff is freezing. Do it quick so you don't get so soaked. Now, do your arms and legs. Do it. Dig into the snow. Yeah, do it. Okay. All right. See you.
Later on, he got socks. He ain't got no things on. He got socks on his hands. No, he is.
Yeah, for a little while.
Buster.
You got me. You trying to make an angel.
What's TP?
Okay.
What's TP? Y'all, I'm so mad because my boobs are huge and I can't zip up my Claire jacket no more. It's my favorite jacket that Quan got me. And I can't zip it up. What's TP? What up, Red? What you doing? You at home? Nephew. Sports. I don't like sports.
I hit the window. You hit the window?
Lay around here with these girl ass shoes on. Hold on, let me make a video.
Need a heater.
You know I'm around the corner from you and your mama.
My nose turned too red.
Out here with my
Mommy, my nose turned red.
Oh man.
I hit in the snow.
Oh man. Why is y'all worried about where the I'm at? I'm back and forth.
Oh, hello.
All my stuff is there.
No. It's raining.
Not here, my damn hair all messed up. Look at my hair. A mess. Y'all really tripping, asking me about.
Lyle, come back. Come back, Lyle.
You still live in a house? It's very much still my address. I choose not to be there by choice. I don't want to be there.
Lyle,
I don't want to be there. Something happened that I'll never forget. So, no. Yes, that's still our house. No, I don't perm my hair. I don't do perm now. I don't do perms. Y'all know my hair is naturally curly. I don't do perms.
I gotta get a bucket. Mommy, why you need a bucket?
A bucket from where?
In the snowman. In the ice. I feel good. Why don't I closed it? I'm cold.
My hair don't look full because it's dirty. I ain't washed my hair in some weeks. I ain't washed my hair in weeks. It need to be washed. My hair ain't never this stiff. Yeah, I can wear anything. I want to cut my hair.